What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this tailgate bed extender for absolutely no money. Let's just jump right in. Now, full disclosure, the reason I spent zero money on it is because I got the conduit and all the bolts and stuff from a business that was closing down. I'd like to thank you all for sticking around till the end of the video. As always, there are links down in the description below that help support me, help support the channel, and help me keep creating. I know it's been a while since I released a video, but I'm trying out the shorts thing as well. So remember to stick around for those. And remember to stay safe, and I will see you on the next one.